Hello everyone, welcome to Culinary Arts and Research. This is Chef Chandrajith. Today I am going to share with you a very small topic about the spices. I'm from Kerala. Kerala is known as God's own country. Not only that, this is a land of spices as well. So let's discuss about a small topic about the spices of Kerala. Let's get started. The first one is cloves. Cloves is an immunity booster. There is nothing more valuable than a great immunity booster in this COVID pandemic time. And it's one of the main ingredients of most of the Ayurvedic medicines. And it's a natural painkiller during the toothache. And it has lots of digestion promoting factors. So it will help to reduce the health problems. The second one is cinnamon. It prevents diabetes and it helps to maintaining the weight, and it has lots of antioxidants which plays a major big role in development of the deadly diseases like cancer. The third one is nutmeg. It helps to improve your mental health. The consumption of the nutmeg is helps to improve your health of the skin, and it's developing the circulation of the blood throughout your body, so it will help to prevent the blood cancer, and it's a painkiller too. The fourth one is star anise. It's another immunity booster. It helps to curing the stomach upsets by killing microbes. The fifth one is cardamom. It helps to curing the digestive disorders and lifestyle disorders like rising the blood pressure and diabetes. And the sixth one and the last one is peppercorn. This is my most favorite spice because I am a spicy lover. It's used in the treatment of cold and asthma, and it is improve the digestion, and this is very rich in antioxidants. And this is my session. Thanks for watching, and I would like to thank Chef Ravikant Pathakji, the president of VCA, and Rishabh Singh ji. And I would like to wish all the very best for entire team of Culinary Arts and Research and Varanasi Chefs Association. Thank you so much. Thanks very much.